Let's practice. Start with number 17. We have an example graph. It is a piecewise function, y equals f of x, right over here to the right. We want to transform it using those rules. So I'm going to use those little 2 shortcut rules for the most part. So we're going to start right here. Oops, still got my highlighter. This plus 2, that is inside the function. So if it's inside, we're going to move side to side, and it's counterintuitive or opposite. So even though it's a plus, that's not going to be right. It's counterintuitive. So this means left 2. So I'm going to take all the points in this graph over here, and I'm just going to move them left 2. So we should get something. And then that looks like that. Okay, I want you to try 18 on your own. You have 2 transformations here. So be very careful. Ready, set, go. Okay, you have 2 options you could have gotten here. This first one, the black one, is if you had reflected first and then added 2. This bottom one, this red one, is if you had added 2 and then reflected. Which do you think is right? This black one is correct. Now, how we know? Think order of operations. If I have something, negative 3 plus 2, do I make that 3 negative first, or do I add 2 first? I make the negative first. So that means you're going to do the reflection first and then move it up. Let's do 19. Once again, try 19 on your own, and then I'll come back and we'll see how you did. Let's look at number 19. We have a 1/2 on the outside, so that's going to be up and down in the same. So that's a vertical up and down, and it's intuitive the same. So 1/2 will be a squeeze by 1/2. Well, squeeze this way because it's vertical. And then the negative x is inside, so that's doing things side to side. So we're going to reflect across the y-axis. So we take f of x, reflect it across the y-axis, and then squeeze everything down by 1/2. So it's half as high it was before. And you squeeze everything towards the origin. There you go. Okay, try number 20. For number 20, we're going to start inside, which is inside, so side to side opposite. That's going to be a horizontal squeeze by 2. So you're going to squeeze everything in close to the y-axis by 2. So I did that first, and that gave me down to there. And then we have those absolute values outside, so we're going to take everything below the x-axis and reflect it up. So that's why that red piece goes away, and I reflected it up to that white piece. So there you go. Last one, number 21. So for number 21, I drew the original right here. I'm going to walk through the steps with you. Step 1, erase the left side. Step 2, reflect the right side. And there you go. That is all of our practices for transformations. You now need to do your 0.2 assignment. Remember, you just need to do evens, and you can check them on Canvas, and it's graded out of completion. Good luck.